Hello, physical science. Happy Monday. Today, we are going to continue talking about bonding, chemical bonding. Instead of the ionic bonds, we're going to Justin Timberlake those for now. We're going to talk about a second type of bond, which is a covalent bond. Now, let's take a look at that word covalent. Do you recognize any part of this word? Maybe valent, as it might relate to valence, which is outer. What about co? If I have a co-captain of a football team or any sports team, what does that mean? Oh, they share the duties of captain. So, covalent is a sharing of valence electrons. Do you remember when we had ionic bonds? There was no sharing there. They were taking. The nonmetals, the bullies, took from the metals, and they took the outer valence electrons. There wasn't a sharing going on. And that caused opposite charges, and that caused the bond to be successful. In covalent bonds, we got a little bit different situation. Covalent bonds are going to involve only nonmetals. For example, here I have a fluorine. Now, fluorine has, being a halogen, it has 7 valence electrons. Well, I've got 2, 4, 6, yep, there's 7 dots. And this is, of course, an electron dot diagram for fluorine. Well, what happens if another fluorine comes along? And now I have a second fluorine. Hopefully, you all can see this. Now, these are both nonmetals. Well, you know that because you can look at your periodic table and you can see. Well, instead of one of these two taking from the other, well, they're both bullies. They're both nonmetals. So they don't have the electronegativity. They don't have the energy to completely take. They're going to battle it out. And at the end of the day, it's a tie. Because they're both nonmetals and they can't take electrons from each other, they figure we might as well share. And that's what they do. If you take a look at what happens next, the fluorines will share that outer electron of each one of them. So they're going to have a pair right here that they share. Now that's important because now we can see that each one of these, because of their sharing, they each have 8 valence electrons. Check it out. 2, 4, 6, shared pair 8. 2, 4, 6, shared pair right there. So they are sharing. And then when we're finished, we would write the formula like so. F2. There's 2 of them. Both nonmetals, covalent bond, sharing outer electrons. All right. Check it out. See what you think. Make sure that makes sense to you, and let me know if it does not. Have a great day. Your assignments are posted on Schoology for today, and we're going to be introducing covalent bonds today. So good luck. Let me know if you need anything.